So today we are going to start on our topic function of management. Fine, we'll look ahead what are the main function of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. Okay, we'll look one by one. First we'll start the first point, that is planning. Okay, so planning is the first and most important function of management. Okay, why it is most important? Because you have to decide whatever, if you are opening any kind of business. ठीक है, so what you will do first, you will decide that हाँ मुझे कैसे open करना है ये business को. ठीक है, what is to be done here? If it is written, planning is deciding in advance about the future period, what is to be done, how and where, who is to do and how results are to be evaluated. What is the meaning of this? That if you are deciding any kind of thing, earlier you will decide, earlier you will plan. ठीक है, आपको अगर 1 वीक के बाद कहीं जाना है, ठीक है, तो आप प्लान तो पहले करते हो ना. हाँ मुझे ये लेकर जाना है, आई विल गो बाई कार, आई विल गो बाई बस. यू आर डिसाइडिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग्स अर्लियर ओनली ना. Same way in business also, in management also, whoever is opening any kind of business, what they are deciding, what is to be done. Correct, how and where we are going to open our business, who is going to take care of that business. So these all things are coming under planning. Same way when we are going somewhere. ठीक है, so these all things we are planning earlier only ना. Okay, what I am going to wear, how will I go, when I will come back. So these all things we are planning earlier only. So same way planning is very important in every activities. Okay, so it is the planning is the most important function of management. What is the next one? It gives the direction for the future activities. So it's saying you the direction for the future activities. Whatever you are going to plan right now, it will give you the result in the coming future. ठीक है, so it is the gap between where we are and where we want to go. It is the gap between where we are right now, ठीक है, and where we want to go in the future. So planning is the basic, is the most important function of management. Okay, planning is the process of establishing your goals, okay, for the suitable course of action. So how you are going to achieve those goals. So each and everything is confirm on your topic planning. How you are going to plan from this first topic only, each and everything is has to be done. ठीक है, each and everything is implement on this topic only, planning. Okay, we'll look ahead what is the meaning of organizing. Organizing means what? To organize the activities and establishing an organization to execute the plans. ठीक है, deciding the framework or of how many units and sub units or departments are needed, or how many posts or designation are needed in each department. So basically if I am opening any kind of business, ठीक है, केक फैक्ट्री, तो अभी केक फैक्ट्री के लिए मैंने प्लानिंग कर ली. हाँ मुझे यहाँ पे ओपन करना है, फिर से इतने लोगों को मुझे बुलाना है अपनी कंपनी में, ये मशीनरी मुझे रखनी है. मैंने टोटली सेट कर लिया कि मुझे कैसे स्टार्ट करना है मेरा बिजनेस. ठीक है, कैसे मैनेज करना है मेरी कंपनी को. तो उस एक्टिविटी के लिए आप प्लानिंग भी करोगे. ठीक है, आप डिसाइड करोगे कि हाँ मेरे कंपनी में अगर 10 यूनिट है तो 10 यूनिट में अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स भी हैं, तो मुझे डिपार्टमेंट्स भी रखना है. उसके बाद मेरे पास मेरे कंपनी के लिए मुझे वैकेंसी भी बहुत रहेगी. करेक्ट, सो उसके लिए आप हायरिंग करोगे लोगों को अपनी कंपनी में. ठीक है, सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर कमिंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. हाउ टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अमंग डिफरेंट पीपल. ठीक है, डिसाइडिंग द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी सब यूनिट्स आर देयर, हाउ डिपार्टमेंट्स आर नीडेड, हाउ मेनी पोस्ट आर देयर, हाउ मेनी डेजिग्नेशन आर देयर. ठीक है, सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर कमिंग अंडर द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टॉपिक. ओके, we'll look the next one, that is staffing. Now staffing meaning is it is the process of recruiting, selecting, appointing the employees, assigning, training, growth and development of people at various levels in an organization. Then staffing meaning is recruiting. ठीक है, आपकी कंपनी में बहुत सारे लोगों को चाहिए तो आप रिक्रूट करोगे ना, सेलेक्ट करोगे, उनकी अपॉइंटमेंट लोगी, उनकी इंटरव्यू लोगी, फिर एम्प्लॉय को अपॉइंट करोगे, उनको ट्रेनिंग दोगे. क्यों ट्रेनिंग दोगे? अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए, अपनी कंपनी के डेवलपमेंट के लिए. करेक्ट. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर कमिंग अंडर स्टाफिंग. ओके. फिर उनकी सैलरी आप डिसाइड करोगे, डिसाइडिंग रेम्यूनरेशन, दैट इज व्हाट आप उनकी सैलरी डिसाइड करोगे. मेंटेनिंग पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एम्प्लॉय. Okay, you are going to take each and every personal record of employee whoever is working in your company. ठीक है. So these all things are coming under staffing. Okay, it is a process of recruiting, selecting, appointing the employees, assigning, giving them training for the growth and development of the company. ठीक है. Deciding remuneration, maintaining personal record of employee, these all things are coming under the topic staffing. ठीक है. Next one is directing. Now what is the meaning of directing? Directing means instructing, ठीक है, guiding and inspiring people in the organization to achieve its goal. It includes supervising, motivating, communicating and leadership. Now if I am going in some company, ठीक है, so one person is there ना who is going to tell me each and everything. Okay, आपको ऐसे काम करना है, this is your task, like this way you need to do. ठीक है, that is the meaning of directing. Someone is there for me who is helping me in each and everything. ठीक है, who is instructing me like this way you need to do, who is guiding me, inspiring me. ठीक है, that is the meaning of. Why they are inspiring me? For the organization to achieve its goal. ठीक है, it includes supervising, motivating, communicating and leadership. That is the meaning of directing. Getting? We'll look the next one. Now what is the meaning of coordinating? Coordinating means it is a process of organizing people or groups so that they work together. Like in school or colleges, you will look, each and every coordinator is there. ठीक है. Why we need coordinators? Because they are assigning us the work. Correct. Whatever the work, we know that as a teacher what we need to do. ठीक है. But each and everything coordinator know very well whatever is coming inside our organization, inside our school, inside our colleges. ठीक है. So coordinator, principal, they are knowing earlier than us. ठीक है. So they are saying us, okay, these all activities we are going to cover in this month. ठीक है. Like this way we are going to teach our children, our students. ठीक है. So in company also one coordinator is there, manager is there. ठीक है. So what they are doing, what their job is to work together properly in the group. ठीक है. TL is there. What they are doing, they are looking each and every member, okay, everybody is doing their task or not. ठीक है. As per the employee, whatever the one day criteria is there, they all are doing that or not. Correct. So one member is there everywhere in the company, in the group. ठीक है. That is the meaning of coordinating. It is the act of arranging, putting things in order or making things run smoothly together. Okay, it is the act of arranging the things, putting the things in order or making things run smoothly together. Same way in colleges and everywhere inside the organization, inside the firm, one person is there who is doing these all tasks. ठीक है. Arranging what, okay, these all 10 files are there, okay, 5 files we have done, now 5 more we have to do. ठीक है. So they all are putting the things in order to make the work run smoothly. ठीक है. In a group. Fine, that is the meaning of coordinating. Okay, we'll look ahead. Now the last function of management is controlling. Now what is the meaning of controlling? Controlling meaning is, it is the almost the process of determining what is being accomplished. ठीक है. That is evaluating the performance. ठीक है. And taking correct measures so that the performance take place according to the plan, whatever we have done earlier, starting planning. ठीक है. So whatever we have think in the planning, everything is going on track, whatever we have decided. ठीक है. हमने जो भी प्लानिंग में सोचा था, सेम हम उसी के हिसाब से आगे आए हैं या नहीं. That is the meaning of controlling. What we have done, what we haven't done. ठीक है. So in the controlling, these all things are coming. Actual result is equal to expected result. That is the meaning. ठीक है. Actual result with the expected result. Controlling is the process of comparing. What we are comparing? We are comparing the actual activities and the result with plan activities. ठीक है. That is the meaning of actual result is equal to expected result. ठीक है. So it is the process of taking steps. What steps to bring actual result and desired result? So these all things are coming together. Okay, that is the meaning of controlling. So it is the last and important function of management. So management function starts with what? Management function starts with planning and ends with controlling. ठीक है? So controlling is a function of what? To see the actual performance, to the expected performance, and if necessary, if the things came, then need to take the corrective measure also for it. ठीक है? So that is the meaning of controlling. Okay, so these all are the functions of management. First one is planning. First we need to plan whatever the things we are doing, how we are going to do it, what is to be done, where it is to be done, who is to do, and how results are to be evaluated. That is the meaning of planning. What? It is the gap between where we are and where we want to go in future. So when we are doing planning, it is only saying us about the future. ठीक है? So हमारी प्लानिंग प्रॉपर रहनी चाहिए वॉट एवर वी आर डिसाइडिंग. ठीक है? सो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, सेम वे वी नीड टू ऑर्गेनाइज द एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है? वी नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट द प्लान. Then we need to look, okay, this much unit are there, this much sub units are there, so this much person also we need, this much post is there, this much vacancy is there in our company. ठीक है? So how to distribute the responsibility among different people, these all things who is doing? Organizing. ठीक है? So one person is there who is organizing these all things. Okay, how to distribute the responsibility among different people. Third one is staffing. ठीक है? It is the staffing, it is the process of recruiting, selecting, appointing the employee inside the company, and then deciding their remuneration when the employee is coming, deciding their remuneration, and then what? Then giving them the task. Okay, this is your thing. Okay, maintaining personal record of employee. ठीक है? Next one is directing, then coordinating, and the last one is controlling. ठीक है? So thank you for watching everyone. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.